what the nature of the offenses are is as follows. The Belize Bank is alleging that on Saturday, the 7th of May instant, these two gentlemen went into ATMs from the Belize Bank, located on Albert Street and North Front Street, and used phony withdrawal cards, debit cards, to access cash from the bank. And the Belize Bank is further alleging that they were already on alert because similar conducts were reported to the bank by clients whose credit cards were used or whose accounts were withdrawn from without their knowledge. So the bank was on the lookout, and an employee of the bank Saturday coincidentally allegedly saw these gentlemen, a male white Caucasian. He isn't saying it's any of these, but he said as a white male Caucasian in the bank, and alerted the police that this person was a person of suspect that the bank was holding. No.
Now, Ms. Christelle, your client initially pleaded guilty to the $500 theft. Given the nature of what has been alleged, you would make the assumption or draw the conclusion that he's opening Pandora's box, because if he accepted guilt here, who's to say that he's not guilty of all the rest of offenses, given that they're saying they have video and picture evidence that proves that he is the person who committed these crimes?
Initially, he did plead guilty, but as you clearly can see from the way they spoke in court, there was a language barrier there, first of all. And second of all, the facts of the case was never disclosed to us as their attorneys or to the client. So when he pled guilty, he could have been saying, yes, I did use the ATM. Whether or not he took monies that the bank is now saying was fraudulently taken is another issue. So after alerting the judge that this was the first time we are now learning of these alleged facts that are being put before my client, he has to be given an opportunity to change his plea, which he was allowed, and we're grateful. So he has pled not guilty to the facts put before the court today. And as Mr. Salgado rightly said, we are still in negotiation with all parties involved here. So we don't want anybody to be making any hasty pleas until we have sought the matter further.